Welcome to Soft Speaks Fun in the Outdoors channel. This is our first camping trip to Vogel State Park, and it will not be our last. We got a very large pull-through site that's very close to the comfort station. Most of the campground is very shady and very well maintained. The comfort station provides 4 bathrooms with private showers. The bathrooms are kept clean and stocked, but they're hot because there's no air conditioning in them. A dumpster is conveniently located near the comfort station, and there are locations to dump your gray water throughout the campground. I only saw 1 dump station for black water tanks, but I've heard there are actually 2. There were 3 teardrop trailers here this weekend: a Tab, our Silver Shadow, and a White Phantom. We camped in the small camper section. The sites along the creek are the most popular.
treats for you all. So if you hear woo 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 in the woods, oh, there we go. Because his eyes are made. He is what we call crepuscular. He's made to hunt at dawn and dusk. So his eyes are made to let a little more light in and work with a little more light. So you'll hear him out at dusk and dawn.
An owl that lives in here. Interestingly enough, it's the largest family of owls in the world. So around the world, there are more Iconidae owls than any other kind of owl. When they go through their first molt, right now, all these birds are going through the molt. In fact, you may notice some of the, I was noticing crows as I was driving over here, they were missing a few wing feathers. So all the birds are kind of going through a molt right now. They get their new feathers in every summer. So when a red-tailed hawk goes through its first molt, it loses those striped tail feathers, and the new tail feathers that come in are red. And so if you see a red-tailed hawk that actually has a red tail, you know that that bird is at least 2 years old.
Thank you for watching our video. We are happy to share our experiences with you.